Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. I'm Jason. Right, today we have something that's very new. Okay, this is Alta Labs. Okay, it's a very new brand that they have recently launched 2 new APs. Right, today I have the newest AP6 Pro. Right, I'll go through some of the specification with you before I do unboxing. Right, so it has dual band Wi-Fi 6. All right, and it takes PoE plus. All right, it has IP54 rating for outdoor. All right, it's a cloud-based management. All right, there's no IP management for this. You definitely has to be attached to their cloud-based management. But the good thing about it is, what I like about it is the AP itself has DPI, deep packet inspection, where they can actually analyze the packets that are through the AP and basically help you do whatever form of web filtering, application filtering. Okay, and also on top of that, the cloud allows you to actually do hotspot provisioning on the spot itself through their cloud management, and you don't have to depend on a third party for hotspotting if you are creating a form of hotspot for the Wi-Fi. Okay, and it does support all the other usual networking protocols, VLANs. All right, all these are normal stuff. Okay, is there any subscription for the cloud? No, it's totally free. Okay, and you can attach as many devices as you want to your account. All right, and basically everything is there for you. So the purchase of the AP doesn't require any additional license or subscription so far, what I've known from them. Okay, and that's what they have updated me. If there are any changes, I will definitely put a remark in my description for it. Okay, so as of today, it is totally subscription free, license free. Okay, it comes with 2 years warranty for all hardware. Okay, let's take a look on what's inside. Okay, I would say that it's very well protected with a sponge here, and let's take a look at the AP itself. Being that it's IP54 protected, it has a very solid metal case, and there's also a logo here. There's a purpose for this logo. Okay, upon installation, if you need to remove it from your installation, you got to put a Phillips test screw pen under the logo to open up and flip out the AP. All right, so basically there is a latch here where you can open up and detach the AP, yeah, like so. So let's see what's provided. So you have the holder. Okay, this is a plastic holder. Okay, these are all the fins for the heatsink to dissipate all the heat. Okay, we have a quick user guide for you to enter into the management website portal, and of course we have the screws. Right, so these are all the screws that are provided. Let me show it to you. Let me remove it out and show it to you. Okay, sorry, you dropped it. Okay. Okay, so we have a bunch of screws for the wall. Screw it in. Okay, if you want to place it on the table, it comes with a stub. Besides that, it also has a metal plate for you to mount onto your L brackets or your ceiling rails. Okay, so all has been thought for by the manufacturer, and I would say the quality of the items provided are very sturdy. Okay, so if you have a rail, all you have to do is just latch it in. Okay, and you can mount it together with the plastic. Okay, and that's it. See, everything is very well provided and thought for by the manufacturer, and there's nothing else you need except the PoE and the cables, and you're done. Right, so this is the latest AP6 Pro from Alta Labs. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to write in, and I will try my best to answer you in the remarks. Right, if the video is helpful, please remember to click like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.